Today we'll learn a very important nosode. In fact, which was overlooked by many practitioners and many a times, but practically very useful. Specifically, nowadays there is a situation where lot of people are suffering from the different types of influenzas, and they are getting affected with the throat affections, with a cough and dry cough off and on. So many people, many children comes to you with a recurrent cough, and that is having a pharyngeal affection. It doesn't have any significance over there in the lower chest, in the lungs. And if this recurrence is continuous, even after best chosen remedy never work, this nosode should be given in single dose as an intercurrent. So we'll discuss about the Pertussin. Pertussin is very shortly explained in Borixma Dramedica. It is a nosode. We'll just see what is there in the Borixma Dramedica. It is a quackvalusin taken from glary and stringy mucus containing the virus of whooping cough. So this is prepared from the virus from the whooping cough. It is introduced by J.H. Clark for the treatment of whooping cough and other spasmodic coughs. So there is very little significance was given in the books regarding this remedy. It is a remedy for whooping cough as well as different types of coughs, and that's the reason it should be used as an intercurrent where there is a recurrence. And we often get recurrence in chronic allergic coughs. Specifically, chronic allergic pharyngitis is there, sometimes chronic allergic laryngitis is there, and it continuously affects the irritation over there inside the throat, producing the cough off and on. If it is not getting settled with Rumex, if it is not getting settled with Drosera, Spongia, whatever may be the well-selected remedy for that case is, this remedy should be given as an intercurrent dose. So he mentions over there relationship, compare the Drosera, the Corallium rubrum, Cuprum metallicum, Naphthalinum, Mepitis, Passiflora, Coccus cacti, and Magnesium phosphoricum. All those remedies having a dry cough, all those remedies having very typical action at the throat, and all are producing typical dry cough. But if this well-selected remedy even fails, he mentions over there the dose, the 30th potency. My suggestion is that keep this remedy on your desk, just give a few doses, 1 or 2, and wait for the result. If the remedy, if your well-selected remedy, if it is not working, after giving this dose, that same remedy will work in a proper manner. And that's why this Pertussin one should not forget in their practice. So that's all about the Pertussin. We'll see another nosode in next lecture. Thank you very much.